The well-oiled machine is an idiomatic expression used to describe a system or organization that functions smoothly and efficiently. It implies that all the components are well coordinated and work together seamlessly, similar to a machine that operates with optimal performance due to regular maintenance and lubrication. This metaphor highlights the importance of proper organization, teamwork, and efficiency to achieve success. The well-oiled machine demonstrates the harmonious collaboration between different parts, individuals, or departments. Just like the cogs of a well-constructed mechanism, each element complements the others, making the entire operation greater than the sum of its parts. This synergy results from effective communication, well-defined roles, and a clear sense of purpose. In a well-oiled machine, communication plays a vital role. Information flows freely, and feedback loops are established to ensure that everyone is informed about developments, challenges, and successes. Transparent communication fosters a shared understanding and a sense of ownership, making the team more adaptable and responsive to changing circumstances. Moreover, well-oiled machines have clearly defined roles and responsibilities for each member. Individuals are aware of their tasks and how they contribute to the larger objectives. This clarity avoids duplication of efforts and ensures that every action aligns with the overall strategy. Another hallmark of a well-oiled machine is efficiency. Processes are streamlined and optimized to minimize waste and unnecessary steps. Continuous improvement is encouraged, with regular evaluations and adjustments made to enhance performance. This commitment to efficiency ensures that the organization remains competitive and adaptable in a fast-paced environment. Furthermore, a well-oiled machine thrives on effective leadership. Leaders serve as the driving force behind the operation, providing guidance, motivation, and direction. They foster a culture of collaboration, innovation, and accountability. Leaders lead by example, inspiring their teams to achieve excellence and nurturing an environment of trust and respect. In addition to leadership, a well-oiled machine also emphasizes teamwork. Team members work together, acknowledging that their individual success is interconnected with the success of the entire organization. Cooperation and mutual support create a positive work environment where everyone feels valued and motivated to contribute their best efforts. To maintain the efficiency of a well-oiled machine, regular maintenance is essential. This involves periodic reviews, data analysis, and performance evaluations. Identifying weaknesses and areas for improvement allows for timely adjustments and ensures that the organization stays ahead of potential challenges. In conclusion, a well-oiled machine symbolizes a smoothly functioning and efficient system. It embodies effective communication, clearly defined roles, efficiency, leadership, teamwork, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Organizations and teams that embrace these principles can overcome obstacles, seize opportunities, and achieve their goals with greater ease and effectiveness. Just like a well-maintained machine, they can withstand the test of time and emerge as successful entities in their respective domains.